Installation and operation of precision diamond wire cutting machine. This thin tube is the outlet pipe of the water pump. The thick pipe is the return pipe of the water pump. Just put the thick water pipe directly into the water. Then connect the outlet pipe to the water pump. Just put the pump into the water. Connect the device to power. Connect the pump to the power supply. This is the tensioner wheel. It needs to be shrunk inside before installing the line. Put the emery wire onto the tensioner. Then tighten the tension wheel. Until the line is tight. After the tensioner is adjusted, the back screws need to be tightened. Place the fixed sample on the sample stage. Tighten the screws. Open the water valve. Adjust the position. Adjust the micrometer to move the sample to the appropriate position. The position of the upper counterweight needs to be adjusted before cutting. Cutting speed can be changed. The position of the right counterweight can also be adjusted. Turn on the power. Adjust the appropriate cutting speed. Cutting. The experiment is completed.